Do you want to make your PowerPoint presentations more effective? PowerPoint is a powerful tool with the capacity to transform mundane information into captivating content. Today we'll cover 5 basic notes to supercharge your PowerPoint skills. Are you ready to elevate your presentation skills? Let's dive in. The first thing to remember is to keep it simple. A clear and concise PowerPoint presentation is key. Flooding your slides with excessive information can lead to confusion or worse, disinterest. Strive for simplicity and clarity. Remember, less is more when it comes to PowerPoint presentations. Second note, always use high-quality images. Crisp visuals not only elevate the professionalism of your presentation, but they also enhance its appeal. Blurry or pixelated images, on the other hand, can be distracting and diminish your message. Ensure your images are clear and relevant to your topic. Third note, maintain a consistent design. It's crucial to keep design elements like fonts, colors, and themes consistent. This cohesion not only organizes your content, but also enhances its professional appeal. Remember, a consistent design is key to a visually appealing presentation. Fourth note, engage your audience. Make your presentation interactive. Intrigue them with questions, involve them with polls, challenge them with quizzes. This keeps everyone on their toes, turning passive listeners into active participants. Remember, an engaged audience is an attentive audience. Our fifth and final note, practice makes perfect. It's crucial to rehearse your presentation. This aids in mastering your timing, fine-tuning your delivery, and boosting your confidence. As with any skill, repetition is key. Remember, the best presentations are well practiced. So there you have it, 5 basic notes to make your PowerPoint presentations more effective. Remember, keep it simple. Use high-quality images to elevate your content. Maintain a consistent design throughout to ensure a cohesive look. Engage your audience, make them a part of your narrative. And finally, practice, practice, practice. The more you do, the better you get. Armed with these tips, you're now ready to create compelling and effective PowerPoint presentations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.